Hello, 321. Hey, FSI again. This is part 2 of the Dreamweaver tutorial on how to make a website. So we left off where we have our site up and we have our page template. So now what you might want to do is, so as you can see on the left-hand side here, we've got a number of links. And what we want to do for sure is you want to link to hosted by Mast. So okay, back to, okay, so we want to make this hosted by Mast into a link. So we want to go back to the Mast Institute because they were kind enough to give us server space to host our sites. So down here in link, and I just pointed at my screen and you obviously can't see that, but obviously you didn't see my finger either. Right here where the mouse is right now. Type http://mast. Those are forward slashes. unco.edu. And we're all set. We've made that link. Now let's just highlight FSI and let's make that a link. So we'll go http://mast.unco.edu/FSI. And so now we've created a link to that site because FSI is kind enough, well, that's what we're doing. So now here, link 1, most people want to make their first link, they call it home. Okay. Link 2, let's maybe call, I don't know, let's call it our methods. Right? You can have as many or as few links as you want. I've seen some sites where students wanted to make up to maybe 12 or 15 links. They wanted to link to their PowerPoint, they link to their Word document like paper, maybe there's outside links. And I've seen also where people just do, you know, 3 or 4 methods, maybe results, and finally conclusion. Let's keep it as simple as we can. Conclusion. Nope, spelled that wrong. Try that again. Alright, so now what we'll do is we'll go to File, New.
I'll save first.
Save this first? Okay. So, whoa, cancel. Let's, we're going to save the template. So we'll just go File, Save, or Save As. Just hit Save because it's already named for you as Summer 2000 XX. So we've saved that. So now let's go to New, Page from Template. So these are, we're going to actually make our pages that have our content in it. And what's nice is all of those pages will have the links on the left as long as we follow this. So we've got Page from Template. That's our only template. So then we just hit Create. And so now we've got a new untitled page. And let's just do that. So here we're going to have actually 4 of them. We're going to have one called Home, Methods, Results, Conclusion. So let's just go, might as well just open them all now. File, New, create another one. File, New, let's just open them up. New, Untitled 3 for now. File, New, create Untitled 4. Okay, so now let's go back to Untitled 1. And let's actually, so this is going to be our home, so we'll just say this is my, I don't know, let's say what did we study? I studied rock, paper, scissors, the game. And I figured out the best strategies for rock, paper, scissors. Now if you move down here, there's all this Latin stuff. This is just to kind of tell you, hey, this is where your text is going to be. Now you can just start hitting delete and spend 10 minutes hitting delete over and over. It's easier if you just hit Shift and then start hitting delete, or just start hitting the down button. So I'm hitting Shift and down, so I'm selecting all this. And then just hit space and it erases everything. You can just put this is my home page for my paper, blah, blah, blah. But actually, what you'll probably just cut and paste right out of your actual text. Okay, and then let's just hit Control S, or you can go up to File and Save. Now your home, this is important. You need to call this one index. And this is because web browsers, if they go to your page and it doesn't see the particular page, it'll automatically go to something called index, which is what you want to happen. So hit save on that. And then let's go to Untitled 2. And so this will be our methods. So we'll just go here and we'll call this methods. And then down here, of course, you'll put in the text, blah, 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 of your methods. And then you'll hit File, Save this one. And we'll call this one methods. And so you're getting the idea. Now, if we go over here to remote server, we're seeing the stuff that's actually up on the internet right now. But if you switched this to local view, then you'll see the ones we've just changed. And then if you open this, templates, you'll see the template we've just worked on. So in part 3, I'll show you now how to continue making your templates and files, and then finally how to save it and put it up on the internet.